Migration is the bird's pledge to life. The long-distance flight toward a patch of warmer land links their breeding ground and winter home. Traversing thousands of mountains and rivers, the migratory birds cannot expect a greater blessing than a suitable place to regain their strength. Here comes an echelon of bar-headed geese. These visitors from the Mongolian highlands have overrun the wetlands, where an abundance of mollusks will relieve their hunger. Nearby, two black swans are gracefully nibbling the waterside twigs. This young couple has just left the flock. The male closely follows his partner, nestling his slender neck against the female, signaling a desire for intimacy. The gesture is being reciprocated as the two necks come together to form the shape of heart, testifying to their mutual affection. This is the Heihe River wetland in September. Located deep in the Qilian mountains, it covers an area of 40,000 hectares with lakes, swamps, and river shallows. With thriving vegetation and moderate temperatures, each year for the migratory birds traveling between East Asia and India en route China's dry northwest, the Heihe River wetland is an ideal stopover. Nicknamed the red-legged lady, the black-winged stilt is cold and aloof, preferring to enjoy its own meals. Around here, there is many minnows, as in the bird's wintering home in Southeast Asia. In comparison, lesser yellowlegs are more gregarious. Such stragglers are not common in China. On their journey from Alaska to Argentina, they spotted the suitable conditions here and seem to have forgotten their destination. Unlike the temporary visitors, summer migratory birds such as Eurasian coots, ruddy shelducks, and mallards all have their breeding season here. The wetland in late autumn pulsates with a chorus of bird calls. Two months later, as the temperatures begin to drop, the southward journey will start. The bar-headed geese are plumper, having stored up fat to cross Mount Komolangma. Known for the altitudes they can ascend to, these birds will over nearly 80 days complete an arduous journey of 3,000 kilometers. They have to fly to a height of 8,000 meters before reaching their destination. While the migratory birds are departing, the black swan couple has decided to stay, since they now have a pair of babies. Barely a month old, the chicks have strikingly different plumages. It will be another 6 months before they take on the dark colors of an adult. They will stay with their parents and see off other migratory birds. In the summer to come, they will find their partners before leaving for a land far away.